Former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh's final journey will commence from Congress headquarters in New Delhi to the cremation ground at 9:30 a.m. tomorrow. President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar and Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid their last respects to the late former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh at his residence in New Delhi. Prominent economists have mourned the passing away of former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Union Home and Cooperation Minister Amit Shah has said that Bharatiya Bij Sahkari Samiti Limited should focus more on seed production that requires less water and pesticides. In the fourth test of the Border Gavaskar Trophy, India batting once again collapsed before Australian bowling.